are in Permai Rainforest Resort. It's known as one of the most natural resorts in Kuching because it is built within the forest, within the rainforest, the Kuching rainforest. As you can see, the tourists or anyone who stays here will have a very natural experience, wildlife and rainforest trees. In Kuching, there's a place called Camp Permai, which is actually known for its tree houses. The tree houses will give the tourists or the people living in it a better view of what the wildlife on the tree sees and how they live. Give them a more natural experience. Apart from that, Kuching is also known for its large rainforest, as you can see around here. That's all. And one of the specialty in Camp Permai is the jungle pool. The jungle pool is basically not a man-made pool, which flows from the river into a big spot which forms a pool and flows out into the beach. So, but as you can see, the entrance here was made by the management to make it look nicer. Kuching is also well known for its magnificent beaches, but the famous beaches around here is the Damai beach and also the Permai beach. As you can see, people enjoy swimming here, and sometime around the years, a whole bunch of tourists will come and visit Kuching for its beaches. It's not only known for its one of its magnificent beaches, but it's also known for one of its significant rivers. The biggest river in Kuching would be the Sarawak River, but one like this is usually made for families to swim around it. This is a small river, also known as the Permai River, which is very small. Yeah, so it has a lot of nature in it, and yeah, that's it. Apart from the Damai Beach Resort and Camp Permai, there is one more called Damai Puri, or used to be known as Damai Lagoon, because of the places they occupy, which is the lagoon around the beach, which is circular rather than upwards.